Alright, I'm here with Pasha today. We're going up Pikes Peak right before a storm. We got dropped off and our car's gonna leave, and then we kind of just have to make it up and down, otherwise otherwise it's womp womp for us. Alrighty, I'm gonna keep the intro short and sweet, but I'm here at the Decalibron, which is Democrat, Cameron, Lincoln, Ross, that whole shabam, walking up the road access right now. Couldn't make it to the trailhead because it's closed from snow, so I got an extra 2.5 miles up and then 2.5 miles back, so I'm hitting that right now. And then I'll cut back to when I'm actually on a real trail doing fun stuff. Down, 2 more to go. Have to do those mountains to get down, so do it or die pretty much. Yeah! Summit Mount Lincoln! 3 down, let me go today. Woo! Ross right up there is next. Alright, I'm here with Pasha today. We're going up Pikes Peak right before a storm. We got dropped off and our car's gonna leave, and then we kind of just have to make it up and down, otherwise otherwise it's womp womp for us. face is like frozen in whatever weird old face I'm making right now. But I'm a little over a mile away. We are at top of Pikes Peak. Clearly very windy and cold. We're gonna get inside, but that's pretty gnarly.
Can you imagine bouldering to this kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Scrambling through this stuff. Oh yeah. Ready when you are.
I'm good. Alrighty. We are at Quandary Peak. The goal today is just 3 miles up, 3 miles down, real quick, real fun. Because there's a bunch of fresh powder. Probably snowed 2 to 3 inches on the way here, so that'll be fun. But we'll get to the hike. Talk about green screen. Let's go, yeah! Hell yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Fucking crazy out here! No!
like this blue, like bright blue underneath is just the color of the snow.